All right, we just found our 0. We found out our 0 was -2. Woo! So we're going to factor that polynomial. If our 0 is -2, remember we write that as x plus 2. Now, as far as what else we've got, we started with stuff to the third power. So now this would be 1x squared plus 1x minus 12. That would be the other factor of this. Now, if you look at that, you're like, oh, snap! They've multiplied a -12, have to be one of each. They add up to +1, so that big number has to be plus. They're one apart. That's 4 and 3. So that would factor to x plus 2, right? That didn't change. We just brought that down. And then the x squared plus x minus 12 factors to x plus 4 times x minus 3 equals 0. And then once you have that, it's pretty easy to find or to write all of your zeros. So you would say x equals -2, right? That's that first one. Second one, x equals -4. And that third one, x equals +3. So once you find one of the zeros, it's a little quicker and a little bit faster and so much more exciting. So let's try one out here. Given the function f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12, how many possible x-intercepts? Remember, you could look at the degree of this polynomial, which it says it's the third degree. So we need 3 different, or not different, they might have some multiplicity. They might be the same zeros. List all the possible zeros. Okay, well, p, remember, is your number at the end, which is 12. Q is your leading coefficient, which is 1 in here. So again, the denominator would be plus or minus 1, so we don't even need it. So really, we're just looking for factors of 12. So that could be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, and plus or minus 12. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 possible zeros to check out. Now, these are not all answers, right? We have to test these to see if they're actually factors of that number. So we're going to try to find a root that actually works out. So let's try +1. We have 1x to the third, 3x squared, -4x, and -12. Let's see what we can do. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And -4 plus 4 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0 plus 12. That one's not going to work. So let's see. Let's just click undo a couple times here. Nah, I guess not. Whoop. Let's try -1. -1 times 1 is -1 plus 3 is 2. -1 times 2 is -2. -4 plus -2 is -6. -1 times -6 is oh, that's +6, but it still has a remainder. That one's out. Hey, what do you say we try 2? We try to solve this. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus -4 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus -12 is 0. So we've got one of our roots. We got +2, which can be written as x minus 2. Oh boy. So we got x minus 2. And then let's write what's left. We start with x to the third, so this would be x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then I see I'm running out of time. Let's see if we can do it. This factors of 6 that add up to 5 are 2 and 3. I'll just start the next one.